Smajna mek ġdijt, silta mill-kun kanzunetta finalista f'Mużika Mużika, l-ewwel edizzjoni ta' Return Grand Use tal-Festival Kanzunetta Maltija. Sa issa kellna serata spettakolari mill-isbaħ. Dalwa tizda se jkollna magħna waħda mill-aktar kantanti żgħażagħ Malti li nexxilhom jagħmlu suċċess internazzjonalment f'dawn l-aħħar ftit snin. U se jkollna magħna fuq dan il-palk lil-Lemma Muscat li se tkun il-mistiedna speċjali ta' Mużika Mużika. Fil-verità, Lemma Muscat se tkun magħna aktar tard x'inhiġi. Bir-rispett kollu. Skużawni ftit. Min huwa da?
Just hello.
Bubaker.
Just a moment, please, because...
Hello, is it Mr. Bubaker? Hello, is it Mr. Bubaker? Please, dak bil-qalsi tim nizzelu bir-rispett kollu ejja. Mr. Bubaker, we're live on National TV. Please. We're live on National TV. Mr. Bubaker. Isma ma ċekjajtu jekk għamilx kwarantina, dax da minn barra.
Hello. How are you?
Ċekjajt jekk għamilx kwarantina, għek.
You have met Tina?
No.
I know Tina. She is a friend of mine. Yes.
Please, Mr. Bubaker, what are you doing here? We're live on National TV now. This is a live broadcast.
I am making an interview with people, but woman with the big camel bump but on the front, she have asked me to take temperature. So I pulled down my pant to take temperature. That is not how you take the temperature here.
That's not how we take the fever and temperature here in Malta.
So in Tajikistan, they take temperature from the anus. You do not do it here. You have special technology.
Please, may I remind you, Mr. Bubaker, we're live on National TV this evening, so please, mind your language.
Television. Hello, Malta.
Yes.
How is you? Hello, Cinque. I like Malta, very nice.
So, if I may ask you, what are you doing here in Malta?
Yes, I have not been Malta in a long time. I have come here to say hello to make program. I love Malta. Malta is a country with many pastids. Yes.
My goodness.
You have lots of pastids. I like the pastids.
Please,
and I
Mr.
like the
Bubaker.
women with the big bombs in the front. They make the do-do with me. I'm a very happy man, yes.
Mr. Bubaker, these remarks are very upsetting and very sexist comments. We're live on
You do
National
not like
TV.
the women's? Is you men who go with other men's?
Please, Mr. Bubaker, I cannot tolerate. These remarks are totally unacceptable. Please.
Is you Mr. Joe? You are Mr. Joe the Match.
Joe
I
the
remember you. Yes, we have met many years ago. Hello, Mr. Joe. How are you?
I'm Keith.
Yeah.
I'm Keith.
You
I'm
are-
Keith Demicoli. Joe the Mac, he's a very good friend of mine. And
You is making joke. How is your wife, Anna Banana? Is she good? Yes, Mr. Joe. You look very good.
Anna Banana.
How is your shram? Is it okay? Can I touch it over here? Is it okay?
Please, Mr. Bubaker.
He's not Joe the Mac.
I'm doing my very best to be serious because this is a very serious contest this
He is
evening.
Mr. Joe. If you have problem with the shram, I have the pill for you. Yes.
Please, Mr. Bubaker, I cannot tolerate these remarks, honestly, now. So, first and foremost, I'm not Joe the Mac, I'm Keith. And Anna Bonanna, she's a good friend of mine, and she's not my wife, though.
Mr. Joe, how is you? Yes.
So, anyway, how are you doing? Because I know lately you've been busy.
Yes. The woman, she have tell me, do we have to wear the mask?
Yes.
Yes.
I know, and you're not wearing the mask. You're on stage now.
Yes, I have one.
Actually, I was wondering why you weren't wearing one earlier. That's not a mask, Mr. Bubaker.
Yes.
What's that?
This is my mask. I have found it backstage.
Backstage.
Yes.
Please, don't.
What it is?
That's ladies' underwear.
Oh, that is why it have make a bit smell. I have one for you if you want. Do you want a mask, Mr. Joe? I have other one for you.
Please, Mr. Bubaker.
I am sorry, Mr. Joe. I thought
This
you
is
had
totally
one
unacceptable, totally upsetting remarks from your
mask.
end.
Yes. I have come here to make...
Very ridiculous and vulgar from your end, honestly.
No, I have come here to make program.
So-
I like it very much. My life is not very good right now, Mr. Joe.
Okay, that's
I
very
have-
sad to hear.
In Tajikistan, we say
now.
life is like toilet paper.
Okay.
You are either white on the roll or brown on the poo-poo hole. Yes, do you have the same here in Malta? I am a bit sad. I have had fight with my wife. She have left me.
She left you, okay.
We
I'm not surprised, though.
Why is that? We have had Christmas lunch. We is eating, and she told me, Mr. Bubaker, can you say me something nice? Because I feel a little bit fat. I eat a lot. And I say, your eyes is very good. Yes. And we have had a fight, and I have hit her with my chin on her fist and with my shram on her knee. And now my shram is like American actor Bruce Willis. Yes. Do you have him?
Mr. Bubaker.
Yes.
I guess you
Yakşimer.
shouldn't speak publicly about personal matters.
Yes, I was very sad because after she left me, my wife she have gone and make jiggy jiggy with everyone in the neighborhood. Yes, like the politician before the election. Yes, they make the same. They tell me. Yes.
Mr. Bubaker, please, please, please.
Yes. In Tajikistan we say Eshkham is like before the marriage. It is very nice and relaxed.
Okay.
But after the marriage, it is very hard. Yes. And now I have that is a joke. I have now to find the woman.
Okay.
I have a mobile phone. Do you have mobile phone?
I have a mobile phone.
That's
as well.
very nice. I
Most
have
of the
mobile
people there
phone.
who do have a mobile phone.
Yes,
in
you
Malta.
have technology here, Malta.
So in Tajikistan, you've got a mobile phone as
Even
well.
new microphone without the wire from Tajikistan. It's very special.
You brought it all the way from
Yes,
Tajikistan. That's
yes,
amazing.
It's very special. The application on my mobile phone, it is very special. It is called Instagram.
Instagram.
I see picture of women, I press it, and my screen will go up. Yes, do you have it like that
Please.
here?
Please, Mr. Bubaker.
Yes.
This is really ridiculous, honestly.
Mr. Joe, I am very sad because
Mr. Joe.
I am alone.
Goodness,
I am as lonely as an easy woman
Okay.
who have her menstrual cycle of the month. She have nothing to do. I am alone, but I am here in Malta in hotel. So if women want to come and see me, hotel outside Valletta City.
Okay.
I am number 305 in the room. Is this music festival?
Yes.
Is Miss Claudette Patch here?
No, she's
I
not
like
here.
Miss Patch. Is she here?
Wait,
I have
please,
special
let's
take
go.
blue pill for her.
No, please, please, honestly.
I like
This
this
is
part.
totally unacceptable now, Mr. Bubaker. Totally unacceptable.
Why? I tell them, no,
Apologies, Claudette Patch, honestly. It's going out of hand now.
she's very nice. I like her very much, Miss Claudette Patch.
I think we should change something now. I apologize to everyone watching us this evening. This was not planned, of course.
Mr. Joe, I am looking only for one woman.
Okay.
I am special with one woman only in Malta.
In Malta.
Only one
And why,
in
and
Malta.
why is that?
So I have one in Malta, and
Okay.
I have one in Tajikistan, and I have one in London when I go. Yes.
In London as
Yes, everywhere is good to have one.
well. Okay, so
Yakşimer.
if I may ask you regarding the latest, well, not the recent news, but what about the pandemic in Tajikistan?
Yes, in Tajikistan, it is not very good. Our president, premier, he have said that the coronavirus will not last very long because it is made in China.
Okay.
But he have got the virus and he have died after 3 days.
He died after 3
Yes,
days.
he drink the bleach like Premier Orange Trump, tell him.
Oh my
He
goodness.
was not very clever man. But now we have new premier. He is very clever man. He solved problem of coronavirus.
Okay.
No more coronavirus in Tajikistan. He say, if you have coronavirus, I will come and I will shoot you from your home.
Oh.
So nobody have coronavirus anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, actually, she's very intelligent.
You think so?
Yes, it's
Is
very
he?
intelligent. Yes.
Jesus. So do you have any particular message you want to convey to the people suffering from coronavirus?
I tell people who have coronavirus to be patient.
We've been patient for a year now.
Yes, but to be patient. Coronavirus is bad, but it is not as bad as war. The war, we have seen the bomb, they fall on the floor and they make big disaster explosion. I have met soldier who is alone and the bomb have exploded his hand. And I am alone, but at least I have my hand. And when it is a bit cold, I have a donkey. And if in Malta they say me, you have the sheep, yes.
Please,
They
Mr.
like it
Bubaker.
like that. They
This
say
is
me
really
that when I come
ridiculous.
here.
Please, Mr. Bubaker, we're live on national TV now.
Yeah, Kshimesh.
My goodness. So, to try help me out with the situation, may I kindly ask you to just for 1 second
Yes,
to
I say hello.
invite my co-presenters. So, Clara Ġusordway, Sara Li Zammit u Lara Zoppardi. Forsi toħorġuni minna din. So here's Mr. Bubaker.
Hello.
So, 3 ladies from
Who
Malta.
are these?
3 ladies, 3 Maltese ladies.
Very nice.
So, Sara Li Zammit, Lara Zoppardi, and Clara Ġusordway.
She goes all the way.
Oh my goodness!
I like her the best.
Maria, son!
Oh, I
No,
like-
please, Mr. Bubaker, this is really ridiculous. You just met Miss Claire Ajus
You
Ordway.
have told me she go all the way.
No,
And I like.
I thought Claire Ajus Ordway.
I just don't understand, but it's very nice. I like the bomb on the front. Yes.
So, Mr. Bubaker, one last question, if I may. What's your message, and how do you want to see the world after the pandemic?
Yes. Coronavirus make people very alone and very sad. It is not very nice.
I can tell
But
that.
if the world have make lots of stay together, they healthy and they keep each other and they share, the world will be very nice. I say, especially Malta.
So your main message is to remain very healthy and to share everything.
Can you now share your lady with me?
No, of course not.
Why it is?
Most of them are married. No, it's
It is
impossible.
okay.
No, no,
Okay.
it's not possible, Mr.
So I will
Bubaker.
go for looking for Miss Mary Rose Malia. I have to
Very
speak
Rose
with her.
Maria.
May Rose, where is you? I thank you.
She was here yesterday, but she's not here this
I will
evening.
look for her. I have to meet her. I have pill for her.
No, Mr. Bubaker.
Yes.
No, apologies for the sexist remarks. Mr. Bubaker, from this way, please. Mr. Bubaker, from here. Mr. Bubaker, from this way.
Għalxejn, għata qalbu. Tak xiku.
Tak qabadu daħal, eh?
Karazzu, aħna konna din il-ħasrek.
Kontu għed titħasruni.
Iva.
Liktar darba laħassejtni l-art, xtaqt il-falk, xtaqt jinfetaħu nidħol ġofi.
Gustu.
Karatru, gustaħ, ta' xtaħseb inti, se?
Ma nispera li bħal karattru ta' Bubaker ma' mux ħafna,
Nisperaw li mawx.
konna l-inkwiet. U hekk mela, aħna ser nerġgħu naraw li huma 12 il-kanzunetta li intom tistgħu tifutaw għalihom.
Rajtu kif daħal, qabatu daħal hija. Qabatu daħal.